Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see next question, that is question number 3. A contractor wants to set up a slide for the children to play in the park. He wants to set up at the height of 2 meters. This is the height of the slide. And by making an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. The slide is making 30 degrees angle with the ground. This is angle of elevation. What should be the length of the slide? Now here let us draw suitable diagram. This is the height and this is earth, and here this is the slide, right? So let us label it as A, B and C. As you know, this height of this slide and earth both are perpendicular to each other. Now here you just observe where to write this 2 meter and 30 degrees. Here 2 meter is the height where the slide is set up at this height. Clearly AB indicates the height. This is 2 meters. Clear? And here AC is the slide. Here AC is slide. We need to find the length of slide, means we need to find AC. And here what about 30 degrees? Here the slide is making 30 degrees angle with the ground. So here 30 degrees will come. Right? Now let us write here what is given. So let AB be the height. It is the height where the slide is set up. The slide is set up. So here AB is given as 2 meters. AB is equal to 2 meters. Next, also given angle ACB equal to 30 degrees. Also we have angle ACB is equal to 30 degrees. Now here what to find? Length of the slide. Now the length of the slide. Length of the slide, that is AC, is the question mark. That is what we need to find. Now observe carefully. For 30 degrees, what is AB? For 30 degrees, AB is the opposite side. And here AC is the required value. That is hypotenuse. AC is hypotenuse. Now which theta is applicable? Here clearly sin theta is applicable, because sin theta is opposite side to theta by hypotenuse. Theta is known, opposite side is known, so only unknown value, that is hypotenuse, can be found easily. So here let us write from triangle ABC. Let us apply the formula of sin theta. Sin theta is equal to opposite side to theta. We can write simply opposite also, opposite side, by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. Now let us substitute the values. It is sin theta means here 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees equal to, for 30 degrees opposite side is AB by, here hypotenuse is AC. Now let us substitute the value of sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2 is equal to AB. Here the value of AB is given as 2 meters. Let us write 2 by, let us write AC as it is. That is what we need to find. On cross multiplication, 1 into AC is equal to AC. 2 into 2, 2 2s are, that is 4. So we can write 4 meters. So we can conclude that here See the question, what should be the length of the slide? So here we can write here that therefore the length of the slide should be the length of the slide should be AC meters. Here AC means 4. So 4 meters. So with this problem 3 gets completed. Now let's see question number 4. Length of the shadow of a 15-meter high pole is 5√3 meters. 5√3 meters at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then what is the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground at the time? Here we need to understand the question very clearly. Two values are given. Here this 15 meter indicates this is the height of the pole. So 15 meters is the height of the pole. Then here what is this 5√3? That is the length of the shadow. 5√3 is length of the shadow and 15 meter is height of the pole. That we need to understand very clearly. So let us draw the suitable diagram. Here for example this is the pole, right? And here this is the earth. For example, this is the position of sun. This is sun. We can write this sun. So definitely its shadow will fall on the earth. So here you do understand that if AB is the pole, then AC is the shadow. Clear? So here I am writing AB is the pole and AC is the shadow. And here BC indicates sun rays. This is one of the sun rays. So I am writing here sun ray or ray of the sun. Right. Now here let us understand where to write 15 meter. That is height of the pole. So here 15 meter will come here. 15 meter is the height of the pole. And here 5√3 is the length of the shadow. Since shadow is AC, so 5√3 meter can be written here. Now what is to be found? What is the angle of elevation of the sun ray or sun rays with the ground? You can assume one of the rays. So here this angle, this is the angle made by the sun rays with the ground. This angle is to be found now. So I am taking that as theta. Clear? So let us write here the problem. Let AB be the pole. AB be the pole, or we can write AB be the height of the pole also. So AB is equal to 15 meters. This is already given in the question. And AC be the shadow. So that is also given. AC is equal to 5√3 meters. Then what to find here? The angle of elevation implies the angle of elevation that is equal to theta is equal to question mark. That is what we need to find. Right. So as you know, the pole and the earth both are perpendicular to each other. So here we get again right angle triangle. From triangle we can say BAC. From triangle BAC, here we need to understand that we are in need of theta. whereas known values are for theta opposite side is known and adjacent side is known. Now you have to think which trigonometric ratio it has relation between opposite side and adjacent side. There are two. First one is tan theta and the second one is cot theta. So here I am taking tan theta. As you know, the formula of tan theta is equal to opposite side to theta. Here we can write opposite side by adjacent side to theta. So I am writing adjacent side. Now here let us write tan in place of theta. Theta only can be written because that value is not given. We need to find it. Now opposite side is AB. For theta, AB is the opposite side and AC is the adjacent side. Now here let us write tan theta as it is. Here what is the value of AB? 15 meters. So we can write 15 by what is the value of AC? 5 root 3. It is 5 root 3. Clear? Now here we can do into RF by RF into rationalizing factor of root 3 by rationalizing factor of root 3. Here as you know, here we can do cancellation also. This is 5 1s are 5 and 5 3s are 15. So here we get 3 in the numerator and denominator. In denominator we have root 3. Rationalizing factor of root 3 is root 3 only. So into root 3 by root 3. Now here on simplification we get 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. Square and root get cancelled. So here it is, this value is 3. Clear? Let us cancel this 3 and 3 also. So here finally what we get here, you observe tan theta is equal to only root 3. Here you should not leave the answer like this because our target is to find theta. Clear? You just think of this, which tan value is root 3. If you understand clearly, tan 60 is root 3. So here root 3 can be written as tan 60 degrees. Here we have tan theta. So finally we have tan theta is equal to tan 60. Here we should not cancel tan and tan, but we need to understand that tan theta is equal to tan 60, then definitely theta is equal to 60 degrees. But you do not cancel it. So just write theta equal to 60 degrees. Clear? Now we can write the conclusion that here the question you see, what is the angle of elevation? So we can write the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground at the time is 60 degrees. So let us write the conclusion. Therefore, the angle of elevation of the sun rays with the ground at the time is, here you see we got 60 degrees. We can write as 60 degrees. With this problem 4 gets completed.